What's up, everybody? It's your boy Brucee-b here at the WBC picnic, and I'm here with Zeta and Artie, and we're trying these nasty sodas. It's mustard. I guess we're gonna do this one first. This is the one I've been dreading. So we're gonna try the mustard one first.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty terrible.
Oh God, it smells like a fucking rotten egg.
No.
Oh, yeah, that's bad. Oh, that is terrible.
So this is mustard. They got these at Pops on Route 66. So hold on, let's move some of these out of the way so we can see.
I'm a little scared.
It smells like it. It doesn't smell rotten.
All right, are y'all ready?
No.
I'm not drinking all of it.
No, we don't have to drink all of this. Just see. You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was good.
He likes it.
It's actually not as bad as I thought. You can definitely tell it tastes like mustard. But I don't think I could drink that regularly.
Okay.
We'll try it. Doesn't be Dr. Pepper.
Wasn't as bad as I thought. But
Okay. This one is called Dragon's Drool,
Ooh. It's black
and actually it's black licorice.
We gotta use the same cup?
Oh yeah, shit.
Yeah, we need some more cups. I
I
don't
need
want to
some
mix.
more
I don't
cups,
want
I
to mix them up.
guess.
They're bad enough on their own, probably.
So I guess. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a bottle of water to rinse it out, so we run out of cups. So this is the black licorice.
Smells like black liquor.
I don't see me liking any of these. Let's see. It smells just like licorice.
That's not horrible.
So, are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
That's not that bad. Tastes like Jaeger.
Yeah. Tastes like Jaeger.
Yeah.
You don't like it? Get it more in the picture. There you go.
Yes, cookie.
Not as bad as the
Yeah,
mustard.
scoot over a little bit, Artie.
It's not as bad as the mustard.
No, towards him, Artie.
Oh,
Towards me. There we go.
fun.
Yeah, we got the French shirt on. We're just kind of we're jammed in here. Okay.
Here's grass.
We'll go to grass next.
Oh no.
This probably won't be so bad.
It's grass, bro.
Everyone knows what grass tastes like. Tastes delicious. Like chocolate.
Like chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one's not that bad. Just don't like licorice. Strawberry licorice is nasty.
Okay,
better than
we got
black
that
licorice.
out of the way. Now we'll try the
Grass.
grass.
Flavored. Probably smells like
It
grass.
looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It does not.
Yes, that does.
Green apple.
We'll find out it's grass flavored.
That's a weird.
We'll
It's just,
think. Otherwise.
wow.
That smells good.
It does smell like grass. It smells like grass and
This smells like-
linens.
This smells like a Jolly Rancher.
That's actually pretty good.
All right, let's try it.
That tastes good.
It's.
It does.
I don't know. I taste grass.
What's wrong?
What do you taste?
Tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
Nope.
No.
No, I can't deal with that. Not that apple.
All right, you guys.
No.
So far, if I had to drink one, like it would be the
I'm excited for that one.
licorice one of the three we've done so far. Oh, I know my favorite one's gonna be the bacon one. Probably.
Let's take such a big drink of it.
That does taste like Jolly Rancher.
Okay, this one's this bloody nose,
It's cherry.
but it says wild cherry on the side. So
Should have made actual blood flavor.
We're all gonna get sick after this. Like just taking little sips of these different sodas, we're all gonna get sick.
I'm not ready for the dirt
each of
one.
these sodas is
Okay.
45 grams of sugar too. So
Oh, that smells
Oh
good.
wow, it smells
The
like cherry.
aftertaste of the
I'm
grass.
not
Okay.
excited for the dirt.
this smells like. Let's try it. So the bloody nose, even though it was in the disgusting section, it's actually pretty good.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? It's cherry soda, but
I
I
could
don't
drink
like
that.
cherries.
really, really
Nick.
sugary.
I could drink that.
So that's good.
I'm not ready for the dirt one because I know what the dirt jelly bean tastes like.
Oh
is the
yeah, we still have.
worst.
We're gonna. Which one are we gonna do last? The bacon one?
dirt.
Because that.
Oh, you
we're
know
gonna
we
do the
should-
dirt last.
Yeah, do dirt last.
It's horrible.
That one I could see people like buying that and drinking it.
Yeah. What's that?
You taste it?
Yeah, that one's good. Bacon.
Bacon,
Yeah, I'm not excited.
bacon maple.
I am.
We just need some pancakes to go with
We
this.
should try it out.
Oh. Better smell good.
Smells like maple syrup. It does. It really does. Like very strong too.
We got our background guys trying it too. Just taste it. I don't like that. It's almost as bad as the mustard.
It ain't that bad, but it's pretty bad.
Very sugary.
It just tastes like
I
maple
mean, it
syrup.
tastes just like maple syrup,
Maple syrup with
but
like a hint of bacon.
a hint of bacon.
A hint of bacon. Yeah.
That's
What is wrong with you?
nasty.
It's horrible.
That's what I said. Yeah, get some pancakes. Just be all
Just
right.
pour it over it.
Yeah, that's liquid syrup.
Like, give me a plate of pancakes and a maple
The
syrup.
one that I will
soda.
mostly drink is
Can I have
this
some
one.
club soda?
Okay, where's the last one?
I'm not looking forward to this one.
Dirt soda.
Dirt soda.
I'm not
I want
looking
to
forward
put it in the background. It looked cool.
Dirt.
No. I almost threw up. I almost threw up eating the dirt jelly bean. It was horrible.
Smells like ass. I don't even want to try it, but
Actually, it doesn't smell
Oh,
that
yeah, it does
bad.
not smell like dirt.
It doesn't smell.
smells like
smells
ass.
I
like
work in
crap.
dirt, and no, it smells like dirt.
It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell that bad.
It's that Mississippi dirt, that gray one.
My stomach hurts.
all right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah. Nope. That's worse than the mustard one to
You
me.
know which dirt I'm talking about?
No.
It's not that
Paper
bad.
towels are right here.
She likes it.
I don't like it, but it's not as.
I
It's
like
not
this
too
one the
bad
most.
to throw up.
I like
Oh
this
yeah,
one
it
the most.
is.
The mustard was the worst one.
They got
So,
If I had to pick the best one, it would be the bloody nose one.
Yeah.
what do you know? Yeah.
It tastes like cherry soda.
And I like the grass one.
This one wins. For some reason, it was in the gross section, but it says wild cherry on the side.
Well, I like the.
But it
I
tastes
like
just
the
like
grass
wild cherry.
one. I like the grass one for some
The
reason.
worst one,
For me, the worst one for me was actually the grass.
the grass.
No,
For me, it
Yeah.
was the
that
grass.
was the worst.
That's next to last.
This
The
was
grass
the-
was the worst. For
This
me.
was
grass
the
was
worst for
good.
me.
I don't know.
The grass was
Maybe it's
good.
because I like mustard.
The grass
dirt.
was good.
Try it, bro.
I don't want to.
And the dirt.
It does taste
So
like mustard.
we'll hand it off to somebody else.
I must have weird taste
Yeah,
buds
Bruce, I
because
But
I.
It tasted like mustard.
Just give it a swig, bro.
Somebody in the background tried
Just
spitting up,
smelling it, dude.
but
All right, now.
It
can
smells
somebody do me a
like
really big
dye.
favor? Another Coca-Cola.
Dead, huh?
well,
Paint
drink real
used
soda.
to rinse.
that's the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Kyle, so you mixed all of them together and made a suicide drink. So go ahead,
Yeah, it smells like just straight death.
The brown ones, the maple syrup.
go for it.
Not the dirt.
Chug, chug, chug.
Nope.
Chug, chug, chug.
Well, don't.
Great, because I wouldn't have taken a sip of that at all.
Oh, that's fucking disgusting, bro.